Hello everyone and welcome to Clair Astrology. I'm Clair, and in today's video you're going to learn what it means to have Capricorn Rising. With all rising signs, it's important to remember that this sign represents our outer personality, not who we are at our core and not how we react to things emotionally, but how other people view our personality. So if you have Capricorn rising, people will view you as serious, responsible, and mature. You may come off as quiet or aloof, but this is because you are busy weighing the pros and cons before speaking about them out loud. You are good at considering practical matters, thinking logically, and being resourceful. You appreciate good quality and are willing to work hard to have it. Similarly, you enjoy the effort required to reach a high status and are willing to work hard to earn it. You have tremendous inner strength and self control. For you, work is considered fun. You pride yourself on being self sufficient, self disciplined, and self directed. You make an excellent manager or CEO. However, you need to guard against being cold and emotionally detached. The downside to Capricorn rising is that he or she can be so single minded in their focus to accomplish something that they forget to consider others' needs. Capricorns in general, whether sun, moon, or rising sign, can be so driven that they become power hungry and materialistic. This, of course, prevents them from connecting genuinely with others and even connecting with themselves. In fact, they are known for having such a strong work ethic and self restraint that they often neglect their own physical and emotional needs. When this occurs, they can suffer from loneliness, depression, and a lack of imagination. The strengths of Capricorn rising are resourcefulness, ambition, sustained willpower, and being able to persevere long after others have given up. The best course of action if you have Capricorn rising is to prove to people that you are as accountable as you appear to be, to work at something in life that gives you a feeling of self respect, and to live in such a way that honors your morals and values according to your sun sign. Thank you for watching Capricorn Rising. If you've enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a thumbs up or subscribe, and I look forward to sharing more with you soon.